Okay, so just a moment ago, I missed it. Orion flipped out over a big chunk of snow. Looks kind of like that. No. Whoa. Let's see if I can do it again. Ready? Whoa. Ah. Well, that was quick. The other one lasted a little bit longer. You're silly. Leave it. Good boy. Did you see that? Some kind of muffin. My dog's the best dog. Come on, Ray. Orion. Come on. What's this? Hey. Whoa. Alright, come on. You're tangled. There you go. Not the tree. Ah, good boy. Orion, come here. Drop it. Sit. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, your foot's stuck on it. Whoa. Hey. You're tangled. You're tangled. Alright, hang on. Whoa.